Check out what I got. Yes. Maybe you can see it. Check out what I got. Let's open it up. So, in honor of me getting this paint sprayer, I'm wearing my paint shorts. This is the Graco Magnum Project Painter Plus. It was on Amazon, and I've been watching it for a while because it was hard to find. It was temporarily unavailable for a very long time, and it was the best price around. I saw it. It was about $215 when I saw it at the time, and I've noticed that as soon as it went online, I bought it for $215, and then it immediately, within like a couple of hours, went up to $245, which is what they're selling it at Lowe's and things. So I guess they didn't have to update the price before I bought it. So anyway, I was able to grab it. But let's open it up and see what is inside of this bad boy. So the whole reason I got this is because my shop is brown currently. It's the color that the plywood was whenever I got it from some friends. Instead of spending the time and energy painting the whole thing with a roller, I've decided to just go ahead and buy a paint sprayer because there's a couple of things that I can use it for. So let's see what all this one comes with. This is the Project Painter, let's see, Project Painter Plus True Airless Magnum paint sprayer. So it comes with this nice, it's a really nice laminated quick guide instructions on how to use it. Comes with a manual. So obviously it comes with some cardboard. No, obviously it comes with the actual base itself. Super nice, neat, and everything looks good. Pretty high quality. It's definitely a beginner or a not necessarily a professional paint sprayer, but it is certainly going to serve the purposes that I need it for. So it comes with the paint sprayer itself. It comes with these other attachments. So let's see what these are. Make sure not to cut the hose. So the first thing you see here is the hose itself, and this is a 25-foot hose, so it should be able to stretch all the way up to the tops of ceilings and things that I need. But you can use this indoor or outdoor, with indoor or outdoor paint as well. So it comes with the hose, and it comes with the paint gun, and it also comes with these tips, which this is the 515 True Airless Spray Tip. This is the SG2 spray gun with in-handle filter. So there's a filter in the handle that you can clean out. Or I guess you could clean it out. Some other things it comes with is, it's called Pump Armor Storage Fluid. Basically, you prime it through the gun before you storage, and it just helps clean it out really good so that it stores better. And then it also comes with a water hose attachment. So I don't know exactly how this works, but this is just unboxing it to show you what all you get. You get this little nozzle that goes on the end of a water hose that you can turn on and off. You get the Pump Armor storage liquid. You get a 25-foot hose and a paint sprayer with the tip. And then you also get the base, of course. So that's what you get when you order the Magnum Project Painter Plus from Amazon, and I'll leave a link in the description below. Check back, I'm gonna have videos on how to use this because I'm gonna learn how to use it myself. And then I'm gonna give you kind of an update on what I think about it as a complete project painter or a beginner level painter. So thanks for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe by hitting the button below so that you see my next videos on the topic. And I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.